It is totally impossible to experience true love with division. Hi, I'm Peter Gracey, poet and author, and in collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this piece called Division. Where we find division, there we find loss. It is possible to grow with division, but we will suffer at all cost. Where we find division, there is no leeway for love. While we fool ourselves that we can achieve the impossible, it is totally impossible to experience true love. Where we find division, this feeling of love is so untrue. Even though we may think it's real, you're being deceived, not by another, but by you. Where we find division, we must quickly find a compromise. Even though you may not agree and continue to divide, it's the first step to improvise. Where we find division, it's all because of self-worth. But if you try to please yourself and not the Creator, your life is worth no more than unusable dirt. Where we find division, suffering remains within. All the love you think you have is stained by a tiny piece of what you call sin. Where we find division, we can only enjoy a single instance. But if division converts to union, heaven rejoices in an instant.